Hi, it's Sarah Jane from Natural Cooking, and today I'm going to try some sourdough bread in my new Charlton Jenrick Bakechef stove. So I have preheated my cast iron pan I like to cook my sourdough in, and I have been cold proving it overnight in my proving bowl with a shower cap over the top in the fridge. So what I then do is I've got a knife blade here, a razor blade, for squaring it. I'm going to tip that into my cast pan. My oven is already up at temperature and it's currently sitting about 220, 230 degrees centigrade. And then just cut my sourdough to give it some expansion space. And then to create steam, what I do is I've got a stainless steel bowl, which I'm going to flip on over the top. And we're now going to put that to bed in the oven for about 20 minutes for its first bake, and then another 20 minutes or so with the lid off. So we're going to stick this in there, and then we'll come back to it and let you see what it's doing a little bit later. You ready, Carrie?
We're off.
We're off. Right, okay, so our oven temperature in this, I've cranked it up really high, and we do have it to 250 degrees. Once I've taken the lid off, I want to drop this down to about 200. We've been in for 25 minutes. We're smoking, which is really good. It's stupidly hot in there. And there we go. Got a good ear on that bread, and it's now going to go back in for a further 20 minutes or so to finish off. I'll reduce the firebox temperature down.
Yummy, yummy.
Thanks, Carrie. For 25 minutes, 30 minutes with the lid on, and 20 with the lid off. And we'll just get it out now. Oh, it's already gone now. Yeah, well, that's what we were just trying to do. So that's it done now. Oops. Get the bread off. It's busy in here. We'll get the bread off and get the kettle on. The bread does smell nice when it's just out of the oven, doesn't it? So,
Like you in Italy.
won't be long and we'll have the tea on with it. The bread just needs to cool down a bit first. It's really hot, my sourdough, but nicely done. Just needs to cool off.
Is that, am I on video? Yep.
Okay, so our bread has had an hour or so to cool down. And we're all starved and hungry and ready to hack into this. And there you go, there's our freshly made sourdough. It's still warm actually. Are you ready for some nice homemade bread? Get the butter out, Carrie.
Yum.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime, way.